Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce an example for numerical integration of a function in GNU Octave. If we have this kind of function here, this is a limited integration between 0 and 8 for the function that is x times exponential minus x, that is also to the power of 0.8 plus 2 as a function of x. In GNU Octave, we can use the integral command to integrate this equation, and this is similar to the QUAD or QUAD1 command in MATLAB. I also would like to distinguish between the QUAD and the QUAD1 MATLAB if you would like to use it. QUAD1 uses Lapetu method, and it's more accurate than the QUAD, and give some kind of a smooth integration. Okay, how to use GNU Octave? Say here, this is the same equation that some functions that I just presented in the last slide, and here you can just say if you have y equal to integral, and then this is a form that you can use basically the equation here, and after the 8 sign, and then the limits for the integration after the comma here between 0 and 8. So you will actually get the result directly here as y equal to 3.16. What does it mean? This is just the area under the curve here. So say I'm going actually to just plot this equation again, and here if we have dy equal to the same equation, the original one here, and I would like to get the area under this curve with any kind of method for numerical methods. So basically you get the area by measuring this area with some kind of approximation, Simpson or other method to get the area under the curve. So just to give you an idea about how to use this function in GNU Octave. Here, this is a code that you can use or you can copy. And with that, I would like to thank you and end up this small introduction here. Thank you. Bye-bye.